eventually the remnants of Helene. As again, Helene's going to continue to strengthen. It'll make landfall as a strong hurricane, and it's going to be moving so fast that it may still be a high-end tropical storm or low-end hurricane as it crosses out of Florida into Georgia, but it will be weakening. But the steering flow is going to be drawing that moisture back towards the west, and we will see moisture because of Helene increasing across Arkansas tomorrow. That's going to increase our cloud cover, and I think the moisture could be deep enough in the atmosphere that we at the very least get some patchy drizzles, scattered light showers. Now, the latest trends are the upper level disturbance responsible for bringing that moisture of Helene this way. That disturbance is trending a little bit further to the east of us, so the heaviest rain will certainly be in far eastern and northeastern Arkansas. Areas from Jonesboro to Memphis will have the biggest flooding threat as we get into tomorrow. But I think we'll see some impacts here. Yeah, we're certainly going to see some tropical moisture from Helene here because of the setup over the region. Temperatures outside, look at it, widespread 50s, I promised you, with even a few low 50s in there. Alma, the warmest spot, hanging on at 61 degrees. Feels like a nice, cool fall morning for all of us. Upper 70s, low 80s again today, northwest Arkansas. Low 80s widespread in the River Valley, up to 84 degrees in our warmer spots. We've got a north breeze, keeping the dry air in place and keeping the humidity very low, so it will be comfortable. These are pretty seasonal numbers for us for this time of year. Another cool night with 50s widespread. So again, we're kind of seeing that change here a little bit where these 50s aren't disappearing as quick. They're sticking around for multiple days. I think we'll have a couple more mornings with some 50s and some 60s really through the weekend into early next week. We could still see that trend. Temperatures tomorrow, again, different, cooler because we should see thicker cloud cover and the chance of some light rain coming in. Going to show you one model here, but I think this one does a good job. It's drawing in that tropical moisture. The lighter green shading all the way into eastern Oklahoma, I think that's the model kind of overdoing just that higher moisture content coming in quickly. But I think with the setup tomorrow, I wouldn't rule out light showers, patchy drizzle for a good portion of the area. Now, our far eastern zones have the best chance for some scattered light to moderate rain to linger through much of the day. I think rain totals anywhere from a trace in eastern Oklahoma to a quarter of an inch, a trace to a quarter of an inch, Oklahoma to the I-49 corridor, and then our eastern half, quarter of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. This is still subject to change. If the disturbance pulling the moisture this way trends a little bit further east, we could see some drier weather in our area. But still looks like we should see clouds and the chance for at least patchy drizzle and light showers to be around for much of the mid-late morning hours and through the afternoon and evening tomorrow. The further east you are in 5 country, better chance you'll have some of that damp conditions and wet weather sticking around for much of the day. Again, impacting some Friday evening plans, some Friday night football games. We'll keep you updated on that. We are looking at some warmer weather coming back next week. Humidity not really crazy, but the air maybe not quite as dry as right now, so it will still be comfortable, but a little noticeably warmer as we get into next week.
If you're going to the